How to buy or order on Amazon. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have created the Amazon account and make sure to log in. Then simply locate the search bar. At the top of the page, you will see a gray rectangular box. Using your computer mouse, put your cursor into the box. Now using the search bar will narrow your results because you are focusing on keywords. The search bar is great when you have a specific item in mind. For example, if you want to buy the most recently released season of the TV show Bones, then you can simply type in Bones Season 10. After that, tap in your searched terms. Use keywords associated with the product you wish to buy. For example, if you want to buy a food scale, you could type digital food scale into the box. Then press enter. Amazon search engine will pull up all products related to your search items. When you use the search bar, the results include items from all departments. Then scroll through the result. Using your mouse, review the product options. If you do not find what you are looking for, you can limit your search results by using the categories listed on the sidebar. You can also try a different search term also. After that, open the category menu. Next to the search bar, you will see an arrow. Click on the arrow to reveal a list of categories. Then choose your category. If you're looking for a particular product, pick the category that it belongs in. For example, if you're looking for yarn of a blanket you are knitting, then you would click on arts, crafts and sewing. Now simply browse the product. If you don't find what you need, you can change the filters again. Then click on in item. This will reveal the product space so that you can read a description, product details and reviews. You may also see additional photos of the product. Now simply choose new or used. Amazon displays the price of the product it has in its warehouse, but you may be able to buy your product from other sellers. Under the item description, you will see a link titled used and new, which offers you more buying options. Now all you have to do is tap on the add to cart if you like the product, and you can also set the quantity and colors if you wish to, or you can also remove it easily. Then you can go to the cart and click proceed to checkout and choose a shipping address and select your payment method. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.